Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix notifications not working on always on display on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings, and in those settings, scroll down to lock screen and AOD. Make sure that always on display is enabled, and when you click here, then you will see every single settings. Now you want to make sure that you enable show now bar, so you can disable this or enable this, it's totally up to you. But here you have an option when to show. Now you guys can set it to always or for new notifications, and then you will simply see your notifications that are coming in on your always on display. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.